This is Dumabag Inesita. We're driving around with my husband here, and then we came here. So happen na ano kami dito, napunta kami dito. We were just driving around at saka napunta kami dito sa may Foothill Boulevard. And look at the mountain, it's so pretty. Look, this nature God created. That one there, over there is a mountain. This is supposed to be Foothill Boulevard. And we just stopped over here. Huminto kami dito dahil napansin ko ang magandang view. Tingnan ninyo, may bundok dito. Bundok ang may bahay. There's the mountain there. Bundok, napakaganda. The sky is blue. The mountain is high. The trees are so calm. They are so calm. And then very quiet. Of course, there are some transportation passing by, and the freeway is there, could be seen. But this is a pretty place. There's a church there, and I'll tell you something. Again, this is Dumabag Inesita, and I'm trying to make a vlog here because I love the sceneries here, and it reminds me of the poem that I love to do. I love to deliver, like God made the earth, God made the sky, the blue sky. Look at the skies. It's blue sky and the birds are flying. They're now hiding. God made the sky, the blue sky, the trees, and everything. God made everything, great and small. This is the creation of God, and oh my God, very nice. There, the mountain there. You can see the mountain there. Views of the mountain. I can see the freeway there. Ang ganda-gandang tingnan. Very, very, very nice, beautiful, beautiful nature that God made everything. Okay, this is my video for today, and thank you for watching. This is Dumabag Inesita Vlog.